Guys, how's it going? Ghostlyrich here today, and today I'm going to be talking about the GTI and Carma. Isn't that right, Mika? Why am I showing you Mika? Because let's just start off from the beginning of the story. As everyone knows, I've got Mika a little while ago. She's gonna be 6 months soon. 6 days. 6 days until she turns 6 months. So let's get started. As everyone knows, I've been in a few accidents with the GTI. The first accident that actually happened around the GTI was actually the day that I bought it. I picked it up, I was walking up the sidewalk and I countersunk my head into a sign holder in front of the dealership. Ended up in the hospital. Should have been the proper sign. So I actually had to pick up the car the next day after a whole bunch of craziness because of that. Then about a year later, I got rear-ended by somebody, and that was the first accident of the GTI. And there was a second accident from which I was involved in where I rear-ended somebody, and that was just because of them jamming their brakes for wildlife. Crap happens. And that I beat myself up over. This one, I haven't actually beat myself up over. The GTI was in an accident again. Let's go over what happened. So, as you can see, front end is smashed in again. This one's gonna be a little bit more fun. Airbag bags did deploy, but seatbelt tensioners did not have anything go wrong. So, if we actually look here, everything's actually still functional. It's holding fluids. It's just, I crushed the whole top end because the car is lowered. The other car that I hit wasn't. So it actually caught the hood, pulled it up, and you can see I actually picked his car up and it went up and into the hood. This is all pushed in because of getting the hood and stuff dealt with. I've still got to take this apart. I'm going to assess the damage. But yeah, when I say bad karma, it's because literally car has been crazy since the day that I bought it. Car still starts, it drives fine, although I wouldn't be driving it anywhere with airbags deployed, obviously. But I also have to do some front end repair, which you're gonna see on the channel. And there's also a few other things I have to do, like I was meaning to do a water pump video and timing cover because those were coming up soon. But that being said, what I want to do is rather than go into this video and show you everything, on the channel, I'm going to be going through it. Me and Tariq are going to be taking off all the broken parts and stuff and seeing how much is actually dead on this car and seeing if I want to repair it, part it out, what I want to do. But yeah, unfortunately in this scenario, what had happened is there's 3 cars in a row. I was the third car. First car came to a complete halt because of something that had happened on the highway in front of us. And the second car, I was looking at him, but he didn't even put on his taillights and do anything. He actually swerved, almost killing himself in front of a semi-truck because he would have actually hit the guy point blank. And by the time he swerved, I had no indication of stopping. I looked at the guy in front of him and he was completely stopped. At that point, I'd slammed my brakes. I ripped my handbrake. We were going highway speeds. And I put my hand back and held my dog against the seat. And I knew I was gonna hit him. If I was in the Jeep, I could have gone into the ditch. But because I was beside a semi-truck, there was no way I was going this way. And if I would have gone that way, I would have rolled the car. So, crap happens. We move on. I'm just glad I'm fine. Mika's fine. She's just sleeping right now because she just went to a play date. And yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. Just to give you guys an update on why it's been so long. On top of that, I just bought the brand new house. There's a whole bunch of new things that have been going on in the house itself. I'm just trying to get it ready for the channel. As you can see, the lighting is much better here now. I've got, if you've been watching like bazooka cannon lighting and stuff like that, it's gonna be sweet. Anyways, stay tuned. Thanks again for watching. Like the video, subscribe. Coolio.